My name is Bill Gaudelli. I'm a professor at Teachers College, Columbia University, and I've been a user of Ahhaa. I find that it is a great way to share inspirational stories and get inspired, as well as sharing that inspiration with other people through a diverse community of online learners and participants. I think it's this kind of use of social media that we need to see more of.
Hello and good evening. My name is Julius McCall. I'm a senior at West Virginia University, and I'm here to talk to you guys about Ahhaa, this amazing new application for iPhone, Android, everything that you can really get an app on that allows you to inspire, outreach, and pretty much bless others without ever even leaving your home.
Hi, I am Movin Dillon, father to three beautiful girls, Morel, Destiny, and Promise. I also played a bit of cricket for West Indies back in the day as well. Some of you guys might remember. What I want to talk to you about today is this wonderful app that I was introduced to. And what I love about it, it's its ability, or should I say the potential, to reach millions and millions of people around the world in a really positive way.
Now, if you're looking for some inspiration, definitely check out the Ahhaa app. It's very inspiring. It'll connect you heart to heart with people all across the world.
In this world filled with negativity, people are tensed on very little things, and it's just that you don't need to stress on little things, and that's what teaches the app Ahhaa. Here you not only get inspired, but you also get to inspire many people, and this is a really good thing, and I think this app is gonna rock.
Let's say you wanted to post something about food. Okay, so you can't post bad things, but you post good things. You post something about someone that you love. Don't post bad things about them, post good things. So it's basically for inspiration, not sad things, not bad things, not inappropriate things. Inspiration, fun,